Taming America. This is a method to replace the dollar with gold leaf attached to the Buddha. And even if it is not made, it will lead to an advantage in negotiations with the United States. 1. Gold leaf banknotes. Background of introduction. Due to the intensification of the monopoly phenomenon in the international financial market caused by the strength of the U.S. dollar, due to the high-tariff policy of the U.S. Trump administration and the spread of trade conflicts, this is a method for the recovery of the global economy. 2. Concept and characteristics of gold leaf banknotes. Gold leaf banknote, the size of $100. Application of cutting-edge security technology, RFID, hologram, laser engraving. To produce gold leaf of this size with one of gold, the thickness must be adjusted. Since the density of gold is approximately 19.3 twog Siemen 3, if this is divided by the area of 156 mm x 66 mm, the thickness is approximately 0.005 mm. 3. Analysis of the cost of producing gold flakes. Price of 1 gram of gold. As of April 2025, the international gold price is approximately $102 per gram. Production cost factors. Material cost. The cost of 1 gram of pure gold itself. Processing cost. The cost of processing gold flakes to a certain size and thickness. Security and authentication cost. The cost of adding security elements and attaching authentication marks to prevent counterfeiting. Distribution cost. The logistics cost of distributing and circulating gold flakes to each country. Total production cost estimate. 1G gold cost USD 102 plus processing cost approximately USD 2 plus security and authentication cost approximately USD 1 plus distribution cost approximately USD 1 equals approximately USD 106. There is no need to worry about the $4 cost of gold leaf, as it is expected that the demand for gold will drive the price of gold above $4. 4. Gold flake production method. Securing pure gold. Secure gold with a purity of 99.99%. Rolling and cutting. Roll the gold ingots thinly, and then cut them into a certain size in 1 gram units. Surface treatment. Holograms to prevent counterfeiting. Add security elements such as micro-characters. Attaching certification marks. Attaching marks of central banks of each country or international certification agencies ensures reliability. Technical considerations. Ensuring durability, apply a protective coating to prevent damage to thin gold leaf. Anti-counterfeiting. Prevent counterfeiting by utilizing advanced security technologies such as laser engraving and holograms. 5. Gold leaf protective coating design. Gold becomes less durable when rolled very thinly and is very vulnerable to folding or damage. To compensate for this, the following protective coating is applied. 1. Protective coating material. Polymer protective film. Uses a PET polyethylene terephthalate based transparent protective film. It is very thin, transparent and durable, while still allowing the gold surface to be clearly visible. 2. Protective coating thickness. The protective coating is applied thinly. Coating both sides of the gold foil increases durability and prevents wear and damage. Total thickness gold plus double-sided protective film, approximately 110-150, maintaining a soft and bendable texture like a banknote. 6. Cela nula nula. How to use gold leaf banknotes. It is a method of mixing gold leaf 1 gram banknotes and current dollars. Parallel use of gold leaf banknotes in existing dollar-centered international transactions. gradual reduction in dollar dependency by diversifying international payment methods. Initially, gold leaf banknotes gradually expanded as trade settlement and reserve assets. 7. Advantage 1. Improved international currency stability. Increased reliability as a currency with gold embedded in it. Strengthened international trade stability by alleviating exchange rate volatility and dollar dependency. Advantage 2. Suppressed U.S. dollar monopoly. Established trade structure escaping from dollar-centered international order. Reduced dependency of each country's economy on U.S. policy by alleviating dollar issuance monopoly. Strengthen negotiating power and responsiveness to U.S. trade policy. Advantage 3. Reorganization of fair international trade order. Securing intrinsic value of currency between countries' application of gold standard principle. Creating a fair competitive environment for each country and resolving economic imbalances. Minimizing the negative impact of protectionism and promoting free trade. 8. Disadvantage. 1. High manufacturing cost and economic burden. Cost of producing gold leaf banknotes, additional cost of $4. The production cost is significantly higher than that of existing banknotes, increasing the economic burden. It is 1.5 times the weight of an existing banknote and is thick. $100 is about 1 gram and 110 in thick. Initial investment costs and the need for international joint investment. Problems with physical storage and distribution. Increased physical management storage, transportation costs, and management burden of gold leaf banknotes. Possibility of reduced convenience of distribution due to increased weight compared to banknotes. Initial participation equity issues due to differences in gold reserves of each country. Possibility of resistance to transition and transitional confusion in the existing dollar system. 9. Realistic scenarios for gold leaf and mixed dollar system. Initial stage, parallel use of dollar and gold banknotes in major trade transactions, oil, raw materials, etc. Active intervention and management by international financial institutions and central banks are required. Gradual expansion is expected to expand the area and transaction volume of gold-plated banknotes. 10. Conclusion and international policy proposals. The gold leaf banknote and mixed dollar system will enhance international economic stability in the long term, can emerge as an effective and realistic alternative to the protectionist policy of the United States. Systematic introduction through international cooperation and agreement is essential, and a step-by-step approach is necessary. Gold can be melted down and reused. Thank you.